Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about cross product of two vectors. Here I am taking two vectors. First vector A equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Vector B equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So these are the two vectors. Then what is the cross product of these two vectors? So cross product is here we have to use determination method. We have to use determination method. What is the determination method? Determination method means, so here what is A? A is ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. So what is B? B is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So these are the two vectors. The cross product of these two vectors is, you can find the cross product by using determination method. So what is the determination method? First of all, we have to take modulus. First of all, I'm taking unit vectors I, j, k. So first vector, I'm taking first vector A. So what is the x component of vector A? That is ax. What is the y component of vector A? That is ay. What is the z component of vector A? That is az. Next vector B. What is the x component of vector B? That is bx. What is the y component of vector B? That is by. What is the z component of B? That is bz. So next process is, okay, I'm taking I cap. So when we take I cap term, that means x term, so we have to eliminate first row, first column. When we take I cap, we have to eliminate first row, first column. So what are the remaining terms? Ay, az, by, bz. Okay. Now the process is, we have to take ay, bz minus by, az. Okay. Next, we have to take negative. So we have to take negative j cap. When we take j cap, we have to eliminate first row and second column. When we take j cap, we have to eliminate first row, second column. So when we eliminate first row, second column, what are the remaining terms here? That is ax, az, bx, bz. These are the remaining terms. Now ax, bz minus bx, az. Okay, next plus k cap. When we are taking k cap, we have to eliminate first row, third column. When we are taking k cap, we have to eliminate first row, third column. What are the remaining? Ax, ay, bx, by. Now I am taking ax, by minus bx, ay. So this is the process. When we take I cap, we have to eliminate first row, first column. We have to take this one, these four terms. When we take j cap, we have to eliminate first row, second column. When we take k cap, we have to eliminate first row, third column. So this is a cross product of two vectors. Okay. For example, if you take one example, what is that example? A is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. B equal to 2 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 3 k cap. So these are the two vectors. What is the cross product of these two vectors? First of all, we have to take the modulus. and insert in that modulus I cap, j cap, k cap. So first of all, what is the I cap term? That is 3. What is the j cap term? 4. What is the k cap term? -5. So we have to take the second vector b also. This is 2 -5 3. So now our process is, when we take I cap, we have to eliminate first row, first column. We have to write remaining terms. We have to take the product of remaining terms. What is the product? 4 into 3 minus 5 into 5. 4 into 3 minus -5 into -5. So that is 4 into 3 12 minus minus into minus plus 5 into 5 25 minus j cap. When we take j cap, we have to eliminate first row, second column. Remaining terms are 3 into 3 9 minus వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 2 into 5 2 into -5 -10. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 10 plus k cap. When we are taking k cap, we have to eliminate first row, third column. We have to take the product of these four terms, and that is 3 into -5 -15 minus 2 into 4 8. So I cap 12 minus 25, that is -13, minus j cap 9 plus 10 19 minus 15 minus 8 23 minus 23 k cap. So if we write this, minus 13 I cap minus 19 j cap minus 23 k cap. So this is a cross product of two vectors. So what are the examples of this cross product? Torque. So torque is example of cross product. What is the formula of torque? That is R cross F. So we will study about this in next chapter detailing. So this is the example. What is the example of cross product? That is one of the example, that is torque. Another one is angular momentum. Angular momentum L is equal to R cross P. So R is a radius vector or position vector, P is the momentum. Here torque is equal, tau is equal to R cross F. R is a position vector. It is also called as radius vector. F is a force. So this is a cross product of two vectors.